The following video presents a construction plan developed in the course of taking COSC 461 Building Information Modeling System solely for educational purposes. Howdy, my name is Aaron Sepulveda and I am a construction science student at Texas A&M. I hope you enjoy this presentation. It is my goal to spark your interest in building information modeling. Building information modeling is a fast-growing technology that construction, architectural, and engineering professionals have adopted for the purpose of building and completing projects more efficiently. Building information modeling allows these professionals to switch from two-dimensional drawings and see the final project in a virtual three-dimensional space. With building information models, we can view complex mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, models that appear realistic, and construction sequencing. These models can be used in many different aspects of a project, such as cost estimating, scheduling, progress tracking, material verification, and many more. The main purpose of this video is to show a three-dimensional model of a future single-family custom home and present the construction sequence that will be utilized to complete it. The Aggie Residence is a 3-story, 6,000 square foot home with a basement, guest house, and fitness facility. It will sit on 12 and 18-inch drilled piers, grade beams, and a 6-inch concrete slab on void. All walls will be timber framed, mostly with 2x6 and 2x4 studs. Floors and ceilings will be a mix of 2x8 and 2x10 timber joists and engineered wood trusses. A standing seam metal roof will be utilized in order to conserve energy, and the home will be wrapped in stone masonry. The Aggie Residence is perfect for Aggies traveling through the Southwest on Interstate Highway 10, as it will sit right outside of Phoenix, Arizona, and across the street from the Tres Rios Golf Course. The red boundary indicates the entire 6 acres which the home and land will be located. The blue boundary indicates the location of the home itself, and the green boundary indicates the material laydown area. The construction sequence will now be presented, beginning with the foundation. The first phase of the foundation is constructing the basement. The tops of the 12 and 18-inch drilled piers will sit 18 feet below the first floor elevation. From that surface, the piers will be drilled down 15 feet and filled with concrete. The forming, reinforcing, and pouring of the grade beams will immediately follow the pouring of the concrete piers, then the 6-inch slab. Next, insulated concrete formed walls will enclose the basement. Polyurethane insulated forms will be 2.5 inches on both sides with an 8-inch concrete core. Interior walls will need to be framed in order to install the ceiling trusses. After the ceiling trusses are installed, both stairways can be built from the basement to the first floor. 12-inch piers for the rest of the house will be drilled after the perimeter of the basement is backfilled. Piers will be completed clockwise around the house, and the guest house will be drilled last. Going in the same clockwise fashion, grade beams will be placed on top of the piers. And finally, the slabs will be poured and ready for the structural wood framing. Again, we will work in a clockwise direction, starting from the southwest side of the home. Exterior walls will be framed first, followed by interior walls. Once the second floor joists are installed, staircases can be built from the first to the second floor. Then the second floor framing, followed by the third floor joists and staircase up to the third floor. Finally, the guest house can be framed. Before the roof can be placed, 10 by 10 wood columns will be placed outside on the first floor and balconies on the second and third floor. Once the roof has been placed and completely covers the building, the mechanical and plumbing systems can be installed. There are a total of 8 air conditioning systems throughout the home. Throughout this demonstration, interior walls will be removed in order to clearly see the mechanical and plumbing systems. First, the ductwork will be installed starting from the basement. The overhead plumbing lines will be installed as soon as the ductwork is complete. The plumbers will complete their piping and install all fixtures that need to be installed. Then the first floor, up to the second floor, and and then the third floor, which does not require overhead plumbing lines. The guest house will be completed last. The mechanical system is not complete, but we will come back to that shortly. The installation of doors and windows will begin on the first floor and guest house in order to help prevent damage to finishes inside the home. Ceiling installation will begin once all of the openings have been closed. After the ceilings are installed, the mechanical air vents and air handler units can be installed as well. A combination of 6-inch and 2-inch stone will completely wrap the house except for the stucco surrounding the spiral staircase on the third floor. The interior will also have stone masonry as shown in the basement, the first floor, and the second floor. And the masons will finish up their work by wrapping the 10x10 wood columns. Installing metal railings will be the last activity of the project and are as follows. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been informative and educational. This production would not have been possible without the direction of Dr. Julian King. Email me at the following address if you have any further questions regarding anything related to this video.